This is Eric Worre, and welcome to NetworkMarketingPro.com. Today I want to give you a little bit of advice when it comes to building rapport and building trust with your prospects. See, a lot of people come with fancy words and they just do all the talking. They ask their prospect to listen. You just listen. Let me do all the talking. I'm the expert. I've got all the answers. I know how to solve all these problems. Let me just do all the talking. So the prospect sits there. They hear the information, but they don't really hear it, because you haven't built any rapport. I was talking earlier today with somebody who wanted to learn how to be more effective with prospects. And I just said, listen, if you were a consultant and you're a highly paid consultant, you're going into a company and you're going to help that company do better, what would be the first thing you would need to do in order to be effective? And they answered, well, I'd have to know more about the company. I said, well, how would you learn more about the company? He said, well, I guess I'd have to ask them questions. I said, exactly. What you need to do is you need to ask some questions. You need to be interested. You need to be curious. You need to dig a little deeper. You need to say, well, why do you want to have change? And what are you looking for? And what would that mean if this happened or if that happened? You need to be like a doctor probing, to be looking for symptoms so you can prescribe a solution. So as you're prospecting, if you'll just learn to ask some questions, build some rapport, listen to what it is that the person is looking for in their life, then when you respond with a solution, you can kind of tailor your language to the needs of the prospect. See, our profession provides so much incredible value in so many different ways. You can present it in a way that a person will actually be able to hear it, versus coming and saying, I've got a one-size-fits-all type of a presentation. If you develop a little rapport and you find out that the stay-at-home mother or stay-at-home father wants to be able to have a little bit more ability to do more for their kids, a better school or whatever, then you have the ability to talk to them about helping them solve that problem. If you know a person's making good money but they're stressed out, they don't have a life, then you know how to be able to talk to them in a way that will help them go from being blind to being able to see. So if you'll build rapport by asking questions, being interested instead of being interesting, when you get those questions answered, then you can start to think and then be able to offer a solution that might make sense to people. Does that help? See, just act more like a consultant than you do a recruiter. Be a consultant, be a friend, be a coach, be somebody who can offer some good advice and help people to see what it is that we have inside of network marketing. That's our show for today. I hope you got value from it. And ladies and gentlemen, my wish for you is that you decide to become a network marketing professional. You decide to go pro, because it is a stone cold fact that we have a better way. Now let's go tell the world. Everybody have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.